My name is Sasha. I'm from grade 6. I am here to explain you a chapter about a magnet. Come on, let's learn about a magnetic material. What is magnetic material? Is a material which doesn't attract to a magnet, which attracts to a magnet is called as a magnetic material. For example, iron, nickel, cobalt. Here I shows you. This is a magnet and this is a cobalt. You think cobalt, and it attracts each other because it is a magnetic material. And when we go to non-magnetic material, here we see the examples of non-magnetic material is steel, wood and plastic. What is meant by non-magnetic material is the material which doesn't attract to magnet is called as a non-magnetic material. Here in this cobalt place, if we add a plastic paper, it doesn't attract. Why? It is a non-magnetic material. So next go to types of magnet. What is types of magnet? There are two types of magnet, that are temporary magnet and permanent magnet. Examples of temporary magnet is that are horse-shaped magnet, ring magnet, and these all etc. It is made by humans, so it is called as a temporary magnet. It doesn't be a long period of time. And next we are going to learn about a permanent magnet. What is permanent magnet? The example of permanent magnet is lodestone. Why we will call it is a permanent magnet means it be a long period of time. It is made up of natural, not by human made things. And next we are going to learn about properties of magnet. Here see, when the two poles of a magnet are same, we'll call it as a like poles. When the two poles of a magnet is like poles, it repels each other because two poles are same poles. We'll call it as a like poles. We'll call it as a like poles. And here see, this is south and this is also south. So it is repelling. This is called as a like poles. Like poles means same poles of a magnet. Next we are going to learn about unlike poles of a magnet. What is meant by unlike poles of a magnet means which is different poles like south and north. It attracts each other because it is a different poles of a magnet. And next we are going to learn about poles of a magnet. What are poles of a magnet? There are two poles of a magnet that are called as north pole and south pole. And you had doubt, this is a bar magnet and south pole and north pole. This is called as a north pole and south pole. Nothing but these two poles of a magnet is called as dipolars. These two poles of a magnet is called as dipolars. And next we are going to learn about different shapes of a magnet. There are 5 different shapes of a magnet, that are horse-shaped magnet. This is horse-shaped magnet, and second place goes to ring magnet, and third place goes to U-shaped magnet, and fourth place cylindrical magnet, and fifth place bar magnet. This is for today. Thank you.